In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing Rust on a Microsoft Windows computer that is not connected to the internet. To achieve this, you will need access to another device, such as a computer, tablet, or phone with an internet connection. Let's get started. But before that, please like and subscribe for more software engineering related content. The first task is to download the installers. On the download device, open the web browser and go to rust-lang.org. Then navigate to the install section and scroll down to find the download buttons for Rustup, which is the Rust programming language toolchain manager. If your download device is not running a Microsoft Windows operating system, locate other installation methods, which has a dedicated section further down the page. Follow the link and locate the Windows Rustup installers. Click to download the Rustup installer that matches your offline installation computer architecture. The next step is to download the Rust toolchain standalone installer. Navigate to Other installation methods and scroll down to the section Standalone installers. The available standalone installers are listed in a table where, for each supported platform, the latest stable version and unstable versions can be downloaded. If needed, earlier versions can be found in the archive. Let's click to download the latest stable version for Windows. Once the download is complete, choose to keep the files. With the two installer files downloaded, the next task is to transfer this file to the offline computer using a USB device or any other available means. The final task is to set up the toolchain. First, install Rustup. On the offline computer, double-click the Rustup installer and choose the default installation option. Note that the toolchain installation will fail as expected due to the lack of internet connection. However, Rustup was installed. To verify, open PowerShell and run the command rustup ---- version. It works. However, the toolchain is not installed as we can see when cargo ---- version fails. The next step is to install the toolchain in a folder. Double-click on the toolchain installer, choose Advanced, and proceed. Note down the directory where it will be installed. Make sure to disable the option Add to the path. Then click Install and confirm. Wait for the installation to finish. Disabling the option to Add to the path allows Rustup to manage the toolchain. With the installation completed, run cargo ---- version again. It still fails because it was not added to the path. Now let's manage the toolchain with Rustup. First, list the available toolchains using the command rustup toolchain list. As expected, there's no registered toolchain. Also confirm the folder where the toolchain was installed. Next, run the command rustup toolchain link with the chosen toolchain name and the installation folder. This will let Rustup register the toolchain. Now, Rustup toolchain list shows the toolchain, but it is still not directly usable. Set up the toolchain as default using the command rustup default toolchain name. Verify that the toolchain is successfully set up. Why do we need Rustup anyway? With Rustup, you can install and manage multiple Rust toolchain versions on the same computer. For example, to use a beta version alongside Rust 1.79, follow a similar approach. Then use Rustup to link and optionally set it as the default. Check out our article linked in the description for additional customization options. Thanks for watching.